Hi kids. Today, we are going to learn about the letter F. First, we'll start with the uppercase or big letter F. To write the uppercase F, we'll start at the top and do a straight line all the way to the bottom. Then we'll go back to the top and do a straight line to the side. Then we'll go to the middle and do a straight line to the side. Now you try. Great job. Now let's do the lowercase or small letter f. To do the lowercase f, we'll start in the corner and do a curved line all the way to the top. Then we'll follow it all the way down in a straight line to the bottom. Then we'll go in the middle and draw a little line straight across. Now you try. Great job. Let's do some exercises. Please put a circle on all F that you can find inside the big letter F. Great job. Let's learn some words that start with the letter F. Fire truck. Fan. Fireworks. Farm. Fox. Fairy. Fork. Falcon. Let's play a game. Please put a check on the picture that starts with the letter F, and put an X if not. Fox. Fork. Bag. Fire truck. Fairy. Fireworks. Great job. Thank you for watching kids. See you in the next video.